Hello. No problem, you're late. No problem. Max, this is Mrs. Bullock.
Max, I work for a firm at DC that fights for kids like you.
Right then. Well, welcome, Mrs. Bullock. So, Max, the board is thinking...
I'm not leaving. Max.
I'm the bringer of good news. After sitting in on the deliberations of the board this morning, I'm pretty optimistic that they're going to let you stay on campus and finish your studies right here, if that's what you want.
That's absurd.
Given the circumstances last year, those of us who have thought about this carefully and rationally, we all believe that you have every right to stay on campus and...
Right? The right? It's your duty to protect her, your duty to find all those responsible for everything that's happened and punish them.
Mrs. Bullock, would you sit down?
You have been tolerant of the behavior from this group of students for far too long. Max, the only way I see change being possible in a way that has lasting effects is through a lawsuit.
We can handle it right here. We can discipline the students through our
Please, President, I said lasting effects.
Yes, lasting effects. We have the procedures in place. We can protect Max.
No,
we can make sure the harassment...
It's not just about Max. It's about everything.
We don't need your interference.
Either way, you can't just dismiss her from the school. Max. It hurts for me to see you continue to give this place a chance when all it seems to want to do is beat you down. Here's my card, in case you want to contact me. The board will deliver its decision by the end of the day, so just be on the lookout for it, all right? That poor other student. Did you know him? This place should pay for what it's done to you.
I spent most of my freshman year sitting out on this lawn.
Doing homework?
Ha! I didn't do homework? No. There was this girl. She had the most beautiful eyes. I know this place is a bit of a stretch, and that there are a lot of other schools you are thinking about. But hey, look at me. You just don't let anyone get up here. who says things can change?